Here a group of captured Russian soldiers are questioned by Ukrainian military.
Чей Крым?
Крым чей?
Вместе дружно.
These are Ukrainian tanks just before the liberation of Lyman. Even the Russian propagandists are shocked about the loss of Lyman. Here a former general and now State Duma deputy Gurulev cannot explain the surrender of Lyman. Can we help him?
Нам ждали вы этого, не ждали, закономерно это было, ожидаемо. Почему это случилось? Ну, мало того, что мы не наступаем, в общем, уже несколько месяцев как, так вот и мы отступаем. Что происходит?
Я не могу объяснить сдачу Красного Лимана.
Отличный ответ.
Не могу объяснить с точки зрения военного.
Russian Lend-Lease is when one Ukrainian tank tows two Russian tanks. An extremely large explosion as a probable Russian ammunition dump in southern Ukraine is destroyed by artillery fire. Ukrainian service members pray before the battle. Psalm 91, 90 in Ukrainian tradition. With long life will I satisfy him, and show him my salvation.
Довгим життям обдарую його і дам йому спасіння моє. Во ім'я Отця і Сина і Святого Духа.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.